Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili garlic oil for business. First, select your ingredients carefully. You'll need about 2 cups of a neutral oil, like canola or grapeseed, and 1 cup of dried chilies. Fresh garlic, roughly 1 head, is also essential. Quality ingredients are key to a delicious product that customers will love, so don't compromise on freshness or flavor. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Peel and finely mince or crush about 1 head of fresh garlic. This helps release its aromatic oils. Next, roughly chop your dried chilies. You can remove some seeds if you prefer a milder heat profile. Having everything prepped before you start cooking makes the process smooth and efficient, ensuring a consistent product every time. It's time to cook. Gently heat your 2 cups of neutral oil in a saucepan over medium-low heat until it reaches about 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the minced garlic and cook it until it turns a light golden brown, which usually takes around 5 minutes. Then, carefully pour this hot, aromatic oil directly over your chopped chilies in a heat-proof bowl. Once your chili garlic oil has cooled completely, transfer it into clean, airtight jars. Proper cooling and storage are crucial for maintaining freshness and extending shelf life for your business. Remember to label your products clearly with ingredients, a best by date, and your unique brand name. This builds customer trust and professionalism. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.